Okay, so this is our lab. This is kind of what happens behind the scenes. You come in for the consultation. First step is that cone beam CT scan, which is a scan of the bone, 360-degree scan, and then we take intraoral scans or photos of the jaws, and then the face scan, which is probably the most important, and then we're able to line those up, and that's what happens here. So this is our designer here, and he's lining up the intraoral scan, which is the pink, and you can see the teeth over the 3D skull scan. First, we want to just be able to line up the bad teeth and kind of see where they're at in relation to the bone. And then he'll go ahead and design the smile with the face. This is what he's doing now. He's basically lining up teeth over the bad teeth, and then he can delete the bad teeth, so all we see are the good teeth that we want. Once he kind of has that, then I can come over here onto my screen, and basically I can line up the patient's jaws, have exactly what you see over there here, so I know where the proposed teeth are going to be, and then I can plan my implants accordingly, which is what I've done here. So this is like the most important piece. There's a lot that goes into planning these cases, and without all this technology, we'd get terrible results, and the surgeries just go much smoother. So that's all the planning piece of it. And then those are our printers, which we print the teeth. And then over here, we got a zirconia mill, which mills the final zirconia. And we've got the metal titanium mill that mills the bars. So come on down to Dental Implants of Spring Hill, and we'll use all this good technology to give you the smile that you deserve.